So here I am, some people tried to starve me today without any food. So, I decided I'll make my own sambar and rice. If you eat my radish sambar, white radish sambar, oh, you will become enslaved to me. I make some real good radish sambar. Here I am, making that. And this is the beauty of life. If you are joyful, every situation, no matter what, becomes a fantastic expression of your life. Today it's about cooking. How's that for you? Someday you must eat my radish sambar. There are many other things I can do though. May you be a source of joy for yourself and everybody, because this body, this brain and this sambar are at their best when you're joyful.